In this quick tutorial on how to reset your login password if you've forgotten it for the Ignition Gateway by Inductive Automation. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. Hi, welcome to flameAutomation. Today I'll be showing you how to reset your login password if you've forgotten it for the Ignition Gateway. This guide will help you get back into your system. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Ignition Gateway's login page. This is usually hosted at the IP address or domain of your Ignition Gateway server. Once you're on the login page, after entering your username and password, it will display a message saying, "Login failed, please try again." Next, if you're using Windows, navigate to your C drive where Ignition is installed. There you will find a BAT file named gwcmd. Next, open Command Prompt as an administrator. Change the file directory by typing cd, then paste the file path you copied earlier. Type gwcmdp and press Enter. It will reset your current password and display a message saying the gateway needs to be restarted. Next, type gwcmd-r and press Enter. This will restart the gateway. Please wait a moment while the restart completes. Once finished, a message will appear indicating that the gateway needs to be commissioned. Next, open your browser and refresh the page. The commissioning page will appear, where you can enter your new username and password. You are now ready to sign in using your new username and password. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really inspires me to keep creating. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me.